Yeah, babe. I told you no. That's for my tuna.
Yeah.
You can have some.
I thought I was good when I first got here.
No, you're going to wait until there's lunch and you're going to eat all of your lunch because we know how you do. Do we get to eat it all? Do we eat on our own?
No, 1:30 is lunch.
Okay, perfecto.
I think we do the car tour next.
Car tour and then lunch?
I think so.
Yeah.
I might need another Cuba Libre. Ay, que lindo.
Take a picture.
No, I've got several. Yo tengo una.
Dress up in classical clothes.
That's the hustle. But the one we took the picture with was fine.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, man.
Yes. Well, this is where they had a lot of military activities and stuff. As you can see, this is one of the older places. This kind of like predates independence. They did a lot of military stuff here. Right now.